Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. How many of you are bombarded by spam credit card offers in the mail? Overwhelmed by these pathetic organizations. Here, provided by the CFPB, is a source. You can reduce the credit card offers you receive in the mail by opting out. 1-888-1885, output 18867, or by visiting optoutprescreen.com. I've done this, but it doesn't stop. It's just this never-ending friggin' whack-a-mole. It's pathetic, but you can only take one step at a time. Use this, then try to dig in deeper. AT&T, the pathetic friggin' crap company. I've tried to unsubscribe 6 times over the last 3 weeks, and they continue to friggin' email me. That's one source. This is actual stuff being sent to you. Let me know what works, what doesn't. Here, the services allow you to remove your name from the list supplied to credit card companies and insurers by the 3 nationwide credit reporting companies and another credit company, Innovis. The credit reporting companies supply these lists for pre-approved offers for credit cards, other types of credit, insurance. The companies will implement this opt-out request within 5 business days, though for a period of time, you may still continue to see credit offers. In addition, opting out will not affect credit card offers from companies that don't use the list compiled by the nationwide credit reporting companies. You see how screwed up this is? To target these other sources, you can contact the Direct Marketing Association, which creates an opt-out list for consumers who generally prefer not to receive mail or phone offers. You can sign up for these services on DMA's website or fill in the form online. Be sure you're checking the right website. Verify that you're verifying. All right. You're dealing with online stuff, so make sure you're not being redirected. If you opt out by phone or by the DMA website, the request is good for 5 years. To opt out permanently, you must download and mail. See how much crap you have to deal with these scumbags? Anyway, I hate this crap being mailed to me, and I suspect you probably do too. Here's one source. Let me know of others. Don't send me stuff that's spammy, okay? I want stuff that's helpful. Let me know if you have some valuable tips. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. This information will be linked below. Hope it helped. Thanks for watching. See you soon.